In Dallas, many people live in beautiful subdivisions and homeowner association-governed communities. And if you've ever been to a nice property, you've probably noticed how breathtaking the landscaping there is. That's not by chance. The grounds are most likely being cared for by a private company. And there are none better in this space than Gold Landscape.
We are a local North Texas landscaping company. We specialize in HOAs, and within the HOA market, we focus on front yard maintenance. So in many HOAs, they've elected to include the front yard lawn maintenance as part of their HOA dues. And so we're a firm that comes in and takes care of those front yards. The common areas within the HOA, the areas around the pool and clubhouse, etc. Potentially it's anybody and everybody, but we primarily focus on HOA management companies.
Gold Landscape is best known for their exceptional front yard service and a fierce devotion to customers.
Well, Gold's been doing it for 30 years. It's what we do. We've got an infrastructure in place. We've got processes and procedures in place that allow us to be able to perform this kind of strong, robust service for all of these homeowners at one time. And our team members, they understand those standard operating procedures and they follow those steps so they can also perform a wonderful service for our clients.
From day one, they've been great. The supervisor here from Gold even drove me around and helped acclimate me to the different phases when I was brand new, and just have been great in so many ways. They also do all the front yards of every home in this community, which is a big job, and they do a great job. So it just, when the staff who works here is great, it just makes us all look good. So I'm very grateful.
Servicing large HOA properties requires a lot of patience and tact. Not only does a landscaping company need to keep the leaders of the subdivision happy, they also need to serve the scores of individual homeowners within that community.
We strive to be a company of communication, both with the property management company, but also with the individual homeowners. And with that communication comes education. You know, a lot of folks, especially if they're moving to the area, they're not familiar with our shrubs, not familiar with our landscaping materials, so we take the extra time to educate them. We educate them on watering and irrigation, that sort of thing. So to me, by providing that going above and beyond minimizes those customer issues, and we take those potential issues and make them into opportunities by taking time and spending time with them to educate them on the North Texas landscape.
But Gold truly is a family. One thing we do is we do this together with grit, G-R-I-T. It's guts, reliability, intensity, and toughness. We work hard. We're proud of our work. And we'll listen to make sure we exceed the expectations, both in quality and in service. We're Gold Landscape. We grow communities.
Gold has been a very rewarding company to come to work for, and we're very much a family-oriented business. Our founder started this company 30 years ago, and he built a great company, great reputation, and it's all based upon client service and attention to detail, but also really just loving your employees, supporting your employees, and it's just been great to be a part of.
To find out more about Gold Landscape, visit goldlandscape.com and designingspaces.tv.